So guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make my saltfish fritters. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to come over and subscribe to my channel. Let's get into it. So guys, these are the ingredients that we're going to need for today's saltfish fritters. Here we have some tomatoes and garlic. Then we have some scallion. Then we also have some sweet peppers, some onion. We have the saltfish over here. We have flour. We also have oil and black pepper. So I'm going to show you what I do with the saltfish first though, before we get started. So our saltfish is now boiling. So we're just going to give it a few more minutes to boil, and then we remove it from flame. So guys, here we have our saltfish. I remove all the bones and I flake it up a bit. So here we go now. I'm going to come throw the flour inside this bowl. Then I'm gonna add the tomato and the garlic. I'm going to add escallion. The sweet pepper. The onion. Then I'm going to add the saltfish. I'm going to add a little of the black pepper. Then I'm going to combine everything together. Then I'm going to add water to the batter. We don't want it to be too watery. We want it to have a thick consistency. So we add some more water. And then we're going to just combine everything together. And there you have it. Alright, so we're going to place the batter in the hot oil to fry. I'm going to leave it to brown on both sides. You can add any amount that you want to add to the pot and the size that you want it to be. But for this, I'm gonna just add 4 pots. And there you have it. Our butter is now in the oil frying. Now we're going to leave that to fry for a couple minutes on one side, and then return to lift it to the other side. Okay guys, so now that both sides are brown, I'm just going to remove it. Look at that. And place it on a napkin for some of the oil to drain. Wow. So there you have it, guys. My saltfish fritters. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And this recipe will be in the description box below. Hope you enjoy.